let us introduce the different phone holders of A+, A, and A-. It means 3 different qualities. For example, this is the best quality. And the best quality means that this product is more solid. So as we can compare A and A-, actually this one is lighter, this one is with more weight. And the material they use, the A plus quality actually is more solid. For example, all the details of this product. And if we open the phone holder to have a look, then you can also have a see. And this place, we can do the laser printing here, we can do the color printing, and then we can see the detail. For example, this is the best quality, A+, this is the A-, so there will be difference. This one is with very smooth and very detailed surface, but this one is not as good as this one. And as we can see in also some details, A+ is always better. So about also the inside difference, A+ is with N54 magnetic, so it means it with a strong holder than A-. For example, is if we attach a phone into this phone holder, this one is like more solid. It will not fall down easily. And this one is also okay, but maybe not as good as the A+. And this is A, is something in between, is something in the middle. Also good enough in office, in dormitory, or in gym. But maybe dual driving is better with this one, it's more solid. N54, N52, and N48, for example. So this is the difference. Also, the package is a little bit different. The A+ is a little bit bigger, and this is A-. And let's open the A+ to see what's inside. Inside there's a plastic tray, and this tool, small tool, is to close this screw if necessary. This one is to close the screw here. But it will come up with all installed. And this plastic film is to be in some uneven surface. For example, the dashboard is with leather, and if it is not even enough, then we can use this one and peel the cover, and then can put it into the surface. And you can also clean the surface with this alcoholic clean. And these 2 rings can be with the Android phones, for those phones who has no magnetic function. But for iPhone 12 or above, they all have this magnetic installed in their phone. iPhone 12, iPhone 13, iPhone 14, iPhone 15, iPhone 16, for example. So for iPhone user, it's more friendly, but for Android user, they need to use this ring in their phone case or in their phone to use this kind of phone holder. So, but the good thing of this phone holder is that you can easily attach. For example, there are 2 buttons here, off and on. So when we plus into a surface, we need to make it to on. For example, this is on, and then we make it on. Put our phone on it. Then we can, yes. And then we can make our phone in all angles. For example, maybe you want to shoot a video of something, then you need a hyper angle, or you need a lower angle, or you need a vertical angle. You can always use this phone holder to adjust to different angle. So this, you can adjust to different angle, the face. You can face to different angle. All the one A and A- also have the same. The same angle, but the package is simpler. For example, the A version has no clear pad. It only has the rings, and the A- also have no this clear pad. So that's the A+, A, and A-. So at the same time, we can introduce more function of this kind of suction phone holder. This one, it means it can, besides these all angles, this is all angles, and it is very solid. Once this is on some smooth surface, it's very solid. You cannot move it easily, and the face can go to all angles. But for example, this 360 degree means that this besides the face can go to different angles. It can also go to all different places, 360 degree all around. For example, let me lock this phone holder, lock it, and then it's also very solid, and then it can also go all angle. So that means that when you are in a meeting with someone else, or when you are in office, you need to share information with all the colleagues. You can always use this function to show your phone to any other people. This 720 degree means that it does not only this one can go, this one can go 330 degree. Also the face can all go all angle. So 360 plus 360 is 720. For example, if this is the LCD screen of the Tesla car, for example, and then we can lock our, this is the unlock the phone holder, and then press and switch to the lock function. So it's very solid on the car, the back of the screen, and then you can, this is 360 degree, and then this also 360 degree. So you can use your phone as a navigator here, for example, in Tesla. Yeah, it's quite solid. Yeah, or you can also use it in your computer, of course, but the surface of the screen has to be smooth. Okay, so that's the idea. And this also another model, A9, is also the same. 720 degree means that it can go to all angles, and the face can also go to different angles, and at the same time it has this clip. So for some Android phone, if they don't have MagSafe function, they can use the clip to use this phone holder. And then just the same as before, this is off button, this on button. You unpeel, when you first use, unpeel this one, and then press the product onto the surface and lock it, and then it can be very solid. It can be very solid during driving. It can go to different angle. So you can use this product in gym, in your kitchen, in your dormitory, in your bed, as soon as the surface is smooth enough. And let's see what's inside. For example, this also has a pad. This also has a pad. This pad is for some uneven surface, and then you can unpeel the pad and stick onto some uneven surface, and then you can click. You can make this one onto the pad. For example, if your car is with a leather dashboard, and you can stick this into your dashboard, and then make a suction cup onto this one, and this one is on it. Okay, so now let me introduce you how to customize this phone holder. For example, this phone holder, as we show you, is with a suction cup and with magnetic, so it can be solid. For example, in car, in bumping road, it was still okay. The phone will not fall off. So not to mention, for example, we use this holder a lot in gym, in office desk, or in our dormitory. It's all very solid to use. It will not fall off easily, and even in bumping road, it's okay. So let us also introduce you the customizing. For example, this is we can make this phone holder here. We can do the color printing. We can do the seal printing like this one. This is seal printing. Seal printing can be also in this place. Also can be one color, two color seal printing also in this place. And this place is plastic, so we can do laser. But laser, it will come out with only one color. And we can also do, for example, we can make different color material. This is pink, this is white, and this is black. And we can make green, yellow, or any color. You have your Pantone color, you can tell us. And actually in our company, we do a lot of printing. For example, this also color printing. So this also, we can make color printing on the surfaces. And this is like endorsement, but this is mostly used in leather products. So at the same time, well, we can just also to show you, for the same phone holder, we can make different plastic material color. For example, we can make it into pink, make it into blue, and make it into the green color. This is the green color that the customer appointed for this phone holder. He ordered around like 30,000 pieces from us as promotional gift for his customers. So we can also do the packaging. We can have our designer to help you to design the package of the product. This also another product that we have customer to do packaging. For example, we have the plastic bags outside, and then we have some UV printing and gold plating on the packaging, and we can also have a hook here. So this is a phone visor, and we can also totally customize the color and the product. This we call OEM ODM. This product, for example, is a small cap. The phone visor is small cap for phone, and then you can use it under very shiny place. For example, if you go outside, you can see your phone clearly. You can use this phone visor to see your phone and messages. So that's the idea. At the same time, we not only have this kind of phone holder, we also can do the color printing on the product in different places. We can have different colors of the material, just like this one, white, pink, and black. And we can do your packaging as well. So you can always come to us. We will get you some solutions. Thank you.